To remove sound from videos on the Redmi Note 14s, all you simply have to do is first go for the Gallery application. From here, select any video that you'd like to remove sound from, tap on this one, and from here you have to press this scissors icon to edit this video. From here you'll have to swipe to the left right here and find sound tracks. Tap on this one, and from here what you have to do is press this speaker icon right here. After you tap on this one, here you will see that the original soundtrack is turned off, and from here you can save this video, wait for this to save, and that's basically how you can remove sound from videos. Like, this video will have no sound right now, and just in a moment after this video is saved you will be able to see that it has no sound. Where can I see this? Somewhere here there should be a little icon that this video has no sound. But yeah, that's basically it. After you turn on your video, it will have no sound right here. And that's how you can do this.